The next method is mid-square method. In mid-square method, the hash function h of key k is obtained by selecting an appropriate number of digits from the middle of the square of the key value k. So in mid-square method, so we need to square the given key. So after squaring the given key, so we need to select an appropriate number of digits. So let's see the example here. So assume the key k is equivalent to 486. So h of k is equivalent to h of 486, that is equivalent to 486 whole square. So we need to square this given key. So after squaring the given key, I am getting 236196. So after squaring this key, we need to select appropriate digits. So I am selecting 269. So 269, that is equivalent to 269. Therefore, the given key 486 is stored in 269th index position of the hash table. Okay. So the next method is division hash function method. So one of the fast and most widely used hash function method is division hash function. So in this method, the hash function h of the key k is defined by h of k is equivalent to k mod d. So to get the index position for the key in division hash function method, we need to apply k mod d, where k is a key, where k is a key value and d is the length or size of the hash table. Okay, ideal choice of d is taken as a prime number. So d is the size of the hash table, right? So the ideal choice, so we can take the size of the hash table as a prime number. Let's see the example here. Assume the key k is equivalent to 486 and size of the hash table is 5. Okay, so I am applying k mod d. So 486 mod 5. So whenever I am applying this modulo division operator, so we need to consider the remainder as a result, right? So after applying this modulo division for 486 and 5, so I am getting the remainder as 1. Therefore, the given key 486 is stored in first index position of the hash table. So these are the 4 hashing techniques: truncation method, folding method, mid-square method and division hash function method. And the next one is collision and overflow. So overflow, so we all know the definition of the overflow, which we have seen in the stacks and queues, right? So what is overflow situation? So whenever there is no empty space, again we are trying to insert another element. So that situation can be called as overflow situation, right? So here overflow, while inserting keys into the hash table, if empty locations are not available for further insertion, then status of the hash table is referred to as overflow situation. When the hash table is filled with elements, if there is no empty space in the hash table, again we are trying to insert another element, so that situation can be called as a overflow situation. So let's see the example here. So insert the key 61232 into the hash table of size 3. So key 6. So 6 mod 3 is equivalent to 0. So here I am applying division hash function method. Okay. So what is the result here? 0. So I am inserting 6 into the 0th position. Okay. And next key 1. 1 mod 3 is equivalent to 1. I am inserting 1 into the first position. Next key 23. 23 mod 3 is equivalent to 2. So I am inserting 23 into the second position. Again key 2, that is equivalent to 2 mod 3 is equivalent to 2. So see here, the hash table is filled with elements and there is no empty space to insert this key 2. So this situation can be called as a overflow situation. Hence insertion not possible since the hash table is filled with a given keys, overflow occurs. So to overcome this overflow problem, so we can increase the size of the hash table. Overflow problem can be avoided by determining the size of the hash table is greater than the number of inserting keys, right? And the next one is collision. So while inserting keys into the hash table, if 2 or more keys try to access the same location of the hash table. So when we are trying to insert 2 or more keys, into the hash table to access the same location, so that situation can be called as a collision situation. So let's see the example here. Insert keys 3, 7, 15 and 60 into the hash table of size 5. Okay, so 3 mod 5 is equivalent to 3. I am inserting key 3 into the third position. Next, key 7. 7 mod 5 is equivalent to 2. And next, I am inserting 7 into the second position. Key 15. 15 mod 5 is equivalent to 0. I am inserting the key 15 into the 0th position. Key 60 is equivalent to 60 mod 5 is equivalent to 0, but the 0th location is already filled with an element called 15. So insertion not possible, collision occurred. That's it for today's class. Thank you.